everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Iron Horse Motorcycles here in Tucson, Arizona. And well, I've got to welcome you guys. The brand new 2026 BMW S1000R. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. And I'm super excited. Me and Chris are going to get this thing out of here, but I wanted to shoot a quick intro and give a huge thanks to Iron Horse Motorcycles here in Tucson. They actually had this spec in their showroom, and well, I'll tell you the whole story about it here in a second, but let's get some B-roll shots. Let's show you around the bike, and then let's get this out on the road for our very first ride on the new 2026 BMW S1000R.
All right, you guys, well, we're back here on the S1000R. This is actually going to be take two of the first ride. I got an error that engine fault error code came up, and anyways, we wanted to go back and I moved the suspension settings and we're good. So welcome back to the channel, you guys. For you guys that don't know me, I'm Bill. I'm the original creator of the Cali Moto TV YouTube channel, and Chris has been taking over the last 2 years. Thank you, Chris. He's behind me, by the way, and he's been doing great content with the Ducati and the Panigale. But well, here we are sitting on an all-new 2026 BMW S1000R, and for you guys that know the channel, you know this is my favorite bike, and so there's a lot to talk about, there's a lot to go over, there's a lot to say to you guys, where have I been and everything, which we'll talk about in another video. But today I just really wanted to give you guys an overview of what made me get back on the BMW S1000R. So I haven't ridden a sport bike in about just over 2 years, 2.5 years nearly. For you guys that know, nearly 3 years ago, I was involved in an accident on the track with the S1000R and totaled that bike, and then shortly a few months later on the M1000R, and that bike got totaled. So needless to say, it took me off the sport bikes for a little while, and I just kind of had to take a minute to kind of just, I guess, regroup, and some things have happened in the life, and we'll talk about that later. But yeah, I definitely I rode a sport bike a couple weeks ago for the first time, and I was just like, fuck, man, I love this so much, you know. And so my first thought was BMW S1000R, and then, you know, that can of worms got open when I went on the BMW website, and I built one and I spec'd it out to this exact spec, by the way. And I was like, I think that's what I want to do. And so I started Googling around and looking around, and I coincidentally found the exact spec here in Tucson, Arizona, where Chris lives, and there's not many of them. And there's not too many fully spec'd ones at that. This has everything except the bar and mirrors and the carbon package. It's got the billet package, the M billet package, obviously the blue fire paint. It's got the dynamic and the suspension and whatnot. So yeah, it's pretty much a fully spec'd bike outside of the M. And we're going to talk about why I didn't get an M. We'll talk about that here in a bit. But one was this color. Two, I don't really know about the M. So, but yeah, so I spec'd it out, and then I kind of Googled S1000R Blue Fire, and this one came up here in Tucson, and I sent it to Chris, and I says, I think I'm coming to Tucson, bud. And that was a week ago, and then here we are taking delivery of the new S1000R, and I can't say how happy I am and how excited I am to be back on a sport bike, let alone be back on an S1000R. You guys know I love this bike. This is the bike and the platform that I just love, and there's nothing, I haven't ever come across another bike that I am so much in love with. And so when I came across this, yeah, I said yes sir. Now, fun fact, today is February 6th. February 6th, 2010 was the very first S1000R. 16 years to the day I took delivery of my very first S1000R. And I have had so many of these bikes in so many of the platforms. The S1000R, the S1000RR, the S1000XR. I mean, I've just had it in so many of the different platforms. So it all kicked off 16 years ago today, and here we are taking delivery of the new S1000R, and I can't say that I'm any happier. I mean, it's just so awesome. So I love it. And we've got some cool, fun stuff planned for tomorrow, so stay tuned. I'm going to get this thing into GP shift, so I act like I know how to shift motorcycle, which you guys are probably like, what the hell is this guy doing? I haven't ridden a bike in nearly a year, almost a year, so you'll have to bear with me on me getting my bearings and everything. But yeah, it's I'm happy to be back, and I'm gonna get some love back on this channel. I mean, the love been on the channel, but you know, I've had a lot of viewers reach out to me in the past, and I think we're gonna go to the next one, he said. I don't know. We'll keep riding. I'll find another one to go in. But yeah, I just wanted to get back on the channel and give you guys some love. There it is. That's where you're telling me to go. He said go to the second one. So yeah, I hope you guys stay tuned. You know, if you guys are not, make sure you hit the subscribe button. You know, like the video. Let's build this channel back up. You know, let's get some stuff going. So get this little spot right here. There's a lot of little pullouts, and we're gonna take a little look at this thing. As far as the build, I'm not sure, so we'll figure that out. But look at that thing. So the headlights, first of all, I just absolutely love the bike now. There was nothing that I didn't, the only thing I didn't love about the bike was the headlights. And now this is what we got. But whew. Yeah, buddy. It's good to be back, man. It's definitely good to be back.
Look good on it. Fits you.
Thank you, sir.
Back, the double B.
Double back. Yeah, so anyways, thank you guys again. Stay tuned. We've got a ton of content still coming. Chris is still staying on the channel, so this was the whole plan. The whole plan was that we were going to do dual content together, and so that was the idea. So the Panigali's still sticking around, and Chris is still going to do videos, but you're going to probably see a little bit more videos come up now, just because I've got some time to be able to shoot, and obviously I want to get you guys some of the best content for the new S1000R, so stick around for that. But like I said, it's important. Subscribe. If you guys aren't subscribed, subscribe. Smash the like button. Ring the bell notification. Bell notification is going to give you future notification of future content. So thank you guys so much. Stick around tomorrow. Big day tomorrow. I can't wait. I don't even know what's going on. Chris hasn't really even told me, but he said I got some big stuff.
It's going to be exciting.
It's just, I'm ready. So thank you guys again, and do the normal. But we'll see you guys tomorrow in another video. Thanks, guys.